Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, I talk about crypto news and some of other things about cryptocurrency. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin. So if you are new to anything like crypto, or you don't know where to buy, if you're in Africa, this tutorial is based on Africa. So if you don't know how to buy Bitcoin, from here I will show you how you can buy Bitcoin. So the website we are going to be using is Luno. So you go to the Luno app or Luno to get started. So I'm going to open my browser right now, and I'm going to type something like luno.com. So I'm waiting for it to open. So if you haven't registered, if you need a place that you can buy your Bitcoin, come to www.luno.com. I'm having a network issues. Luno is a very good platform to buy and sell your BTC, your Ethereum, your Litecoin, and so on and so forth. So if you are so eager to join the cryptocurrency, the way forward, all the world has been joining crypto. You would have known what crypto is doing right now. So Bitcoin is around $30-something thousand. Oh my God, this is what would have turned many people into millionaire. Like I have made a lot of money in the crypto. When I know Bitcoin was like 300k in Nigeria. So this is what, if I invested 300k, I am making 15 million plus now on cryptocurrency. So as you can see, the Luno is opening. You can click sign up button to get yourself a free account. They don't charge you any money for registering your account on Luno. So other thing I'm going to show you is that they have an app. So I'm going to use their app because network is disturbing. So you can see the Luno app now. You can go to the Google Play Store and download Luno app. As it's opening, you can see how many Ripple I have, how many Bitcoin I have. So it's opening. Around this video, Bitcoin, around the time I did this video, Bitcoin is 939,539. So as of yesterday, it was 15 million. So but today it's retracing. Though if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, as you can see my platform, you can go to, this is home. You can click on explore. You can click on my wallet if you want to see my wallet. This is my wallet, guys. This is my wallet. So as you see, guys, I have some Bitcoin and I still have some Ripple on it. As you can see, the reward, if you want Luno if you want to refer a friend, Luno will be paying you 215 for each referral. So this is not for me. So if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, then after you sign up on Luno, after you might have signed up, make sure you confirm your email and set everything up so that someone will not go and hack your account. So let's see, if you want to buy Bitcoin now and you want to buy Bitcoin and you don't want Luno charging you, I need you to download this app because it's going to help you a lot. So you can see Luno has Bitcoin Cash, BTC to NG, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and so forth. So if you want to buy coins now, I think you will not come here. Let me show you something. If you go to your wallet now, don't go and click buy here. If you click buy here, what Luno will do is that Luno is going to go for an exchange like this and go and buy the Bitcoin. Do you understand? If you have any place you are getting confused, just leave your comment in the description box. or better still, I can still leave my WhatsApp number if you have any place you are getting confused. So as you can see, this is home page of Luno. This is home. You can see I click on home. If I go to my wallet, if I click on my wallet now, if I go and click here, buy Bitcoin, buy here, Luno will charge me a lot of money for doing this. Luno will charge me a lot of money because you can buy Bitcoin on Luno in two ways. You can go to the Luno here and say buy or sell. They're going to charge you a lot of money. But if you come to exchange, which means you come to home, this is an exchange, you change it to whatever coin you want to buy. Once you come in this direction, you will, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, I want to buy some Bitcoin on my, I didn't even have enough money on my NG wallet. This is my NG wallet. This is my NG wallet where you can deposit anything through. You can deposit by bank transfer with Flutterwave, debit, credit card, and instant pay transfer. So you can use it to deposit your account. And once you deposit your account, what it's going to be doing is that this money here will be funded. As you can see, I have 79 on my balance. If you deposited 50,000, it will be credited 50,000. So you need that money to use it to buy Bitcoin. I'm having network issues right now. So, but like I said, don't go to your wallet to buy Bitcoin. Go for home here. Once you go for home, it is taking you to an exchange, and we'll still go deeper in this thing so that you guys will not miss any of this. This is a very valuable something I'm giving to you, so don't take it as useless. Because if you want to buy like 50,000 worth of Bitcoin, Luno, if you go to that wallet, Luno will take like 5,000 per trade. But if you come here, you're going to buy the accurate of 50,000 worth of BTC, so they won't charge you much. This is the trading exchange. This is where you can buy your Bitcoin at Bitcoin price. Don't go there on your wallet to buy at Luno price. Come here and buy at Bitcoin rate in Nigeria. So once you are in this direction, this is charts. So for people who is trading, this is order book, this is trade history, this is my order. Network doesn't allow it to view, but let me keep refreshing it. We are having network issues right now. We are getting network issue. All right, this is the chart. Alright, so once we are in this direction now, as you can see, you will see all this green in the left hand side is a buy order, while the other red one is a sell order. If I want to sell, if I have Bitcoin and I want to sell it, I will click on my right hand side, which you see on the red something, on the red in color. I don't know why network is very bad right now. So if I want to buy Bitcoin, I'm going to click on this first one. Make sure you click on this first one so that you will not buy at much rate. I will click on this one and I will use my NG. If you want to use BTC to change to another coin, you can click on this one. It will write BTC. If you want to use your this thing, your NG money, you can click here, it will change. So you press max, how much you want to buy. Like max meaning that if you want to use all your NG wallets, you can use. If you don't want to use all the money, you can come here and type. If you have 50,000, you can come here and type 20,000 worth of Bitcoin. Understand? So it will equivalently tell you how much money you're going to receive. Do you understand? So once that, you click on buy. You understand? As you can see here, I don't have to pay any fee. You can see fee 0%, so I don't have to pay any fee. So it will show me total of coins I want to buy. Then I'm going to click buy. You understand? So if you have any question, anywhere you are confusing, make sure you chat me up in the description, so I will explain to you how you can safely buy Bitcoin. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button below this video and hit the like button, so that anytime I upload a new YouTube video, you'll be the first person to get notifications. So thanks for watching, guys, and remain blessed.